So we're breaking ground on our first net zero school in Prince William County. Really excited about it. It's replacing one of our oldest buildings dating back to the early 1900s. And what I'm really most excited about today is transforming learning opportunities for students and providing them a state-of-the-art building where sustainability will be a key feature. It's unique in the sense that it's our first net zero building. You can see right here that going on behind me is finishing out drilling the 96 geothermal wells. We're going to be using a geothermal heating and cooling system in our building, which will contribute to the net zero impact of the building. We'll have solar arrays on site, and really it's unique from the standpoint that we're going to be impacting energy usage at a zero-sum game. So we're very excited about that.
The new Occoquan Elementary School will be a beacon of progress, embodying our dedication to providing an exceptional learning environment while respecting and preserving our planet.
And there is no doubt that access to new, modern elementary schools positively impacts a student's ability to learn in their climate and culture. It says to them that you are important to us, that we value you, and we want you to feel welcome and supported in this environment.
The amazing building will mean a fresh start for students in bright new spaces and the opportunity to make new friends.
We hope to open this in 2026. There's a brighter future for our children, and the most important elements of this is our commitment as the leaders of Prince William County Schools to our children's education.